Usually on most stocks, I enter on the 2 and I leave based on the 10. So what happened here was I saw LLY was down a day, higher low, and I saw it higher, low. So it wasn't breaking this, but because it was already downtrending, I could see shorts were gonna get trapped if at any moment it was able to break. So my risk reward was here to here. I only took a small share size. Now you see this spike, especially this spike right here. I'll show you right here. Oh, right here on the 5, it shows perfectly that one wick. I do not get out. I do not get out. But usually stop was here. But say after here, my next stop is here. Stop is here. Stop is here. Stop is here. Now what happened here? If you can see, I literally got out at 124.89. That's literally, and it went up to 92. That was a high, 92. That was the last sale. I got out at 89, and the reason why I was able to do that was because there was a moving average right here in the 10. I don't know if you guys see it right here. It's a 50. So I placed my order right here, took half my position out. Now, at this point, then it started chopping around here. I should have put my stop around here, but I had to leave, so I put it up. I put a range order for 124.20, and then if it was able to break this 125, I wanted to just break and then just get out. I was gonna be here, but basically, I don't know if you guys could see this, but this EMA crossover was the reason why I got in, and the higher lows. So one of the easiest ways a lot of people like to use as their stop loss is this line right here. Now I'll color code it in the future, but it was such an easy trade, literally so easy. So I'll show you guys what I saw so far. So morning spike, couldn't bring up, then it does this embarrassing engulfing, but then it starts rounding up. Now I wish I was able to get in here, but I wasn't watching at the time. I did see it come back, and I was waiting for a second entry. And then, so I'll show you guys what I see on Thinkorswim later. But I don't really use this as. So here's my, for now, is how I enter trades, but I use different indicators. I use the stochastic and the MACD on my Thinkorswim. If you guys want to see a video on that, leave a comment below. But yeah, quick, easy, $70. Not a lot, but green on the day, one trade, call it a day.